Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be building a watch using this NH34 movement from my previous video. If you watched it, you would remember that the date wheel and the GMT hand do not work in this movement. I will be using a dial without any date cutout and without the GMT hand. It should display the time properly, and that is what matters. It is better than discarding the movement entirely. Let's begin. First, remove all the hands from the movement. Carefully detach the old dial. This is the dial I have chosen. To attach it, align the dial feet and push to fit firmly. Now attach the hands. First, the hour hand. Check the hand movement. Next, attach the minutes hand. Check the hand movement again. They should not interfere with each other. Now attach the seconds hand. It works! Prepare the case by removing the case back, the rubber seal, and the crown. Remove the dummy stem. Carefully place the case front on the movement. Attach the crown to a new stem and insert it into the movement. Measure the length of the stem that needs to be cut. Remove the stem, unscrew the crown, and carefully cut the stem to the desired length. File the stem, screw the crown, and insert it back into the movement. Place the rubber seal and close the case back. Attach the straps, and we are done. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.